Hi, if you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life, so you know what they like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews. In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best gluten-free cookbooks. So let's get started. Number 7. The Whole Smith's Good Food Cookbook. The first cookbook to ever get an endorsement from Whole30, The Whole Smith's Good Food Cookbook by Michelle Smith is designed for people learning how to incorporate whole food eating principles into everyday life. Smith's goal is to optimize the nutrition of each recipe while providing rich flavors that appease the entire family. All 150 recipes, from breakfast to dessert, are gluten-free. Most are also Whole30 compliant, meaning there are no grains, dairy, or sugar, but Smith does utilize a few grains and legumes throughout. Number 6. The Easy Gluten-Free Cookbook. If you're diving into gluten-free cooking for the first time, Lindsay Garza guides the way in. The Easy Gluten-Free Cookbook. Designed for the busy cook who wants to get a meal on the table fast, this book combines no-fuss recipes with minimal ingredients that take under 30 minutes to cook and/or require a single pot or pan. This cookbook opens with basic guidelines on how to follow a gluten-free diet, and then breaks the recipes down into 8 chapters that cover breakfast through dessert. Garza also provides additional identifiers, like vegetarian, vegan, nut-free, and dairy-free on each recipe, so you can easily pinpoint the ones that fit into your lifestyle. Number 5. Paleo Cooking with Your Instant Pot. The Instant Pot is a kitchen lifesaver, but many of the quick and easy options aren't appropriate for a gluten-free diet. In her cookbook, Paleo Cooking with Your Instant Pot, Jennifer Robbins aims to solve that problem. The 80 recipes aren't just gluten-free, they're completely grain-free and paleo-friendly, meaning there's no dairy or refined sugar in any of them. Each recipe also features high-quality ingredients that are designed to make sure you're hitting your nutritional needs, even when avoiding certain food groups. Number 4. Whole bowls. Many vegetarian cookbooks rely on pasta and bread to make a meal satiating, but Allison Day figured out a way to fill bellies without meat or gluten. Whole bowls is a unique approach that turns every meal into a power bowl full of plant-based foods that are ready to eat in a pinch. Each recipe is designed around the right balance of protein, starchy vegetables or fruit, non-starchy vegetables, grains, condiments, a crunch factor, and optional cheese. There are even dessert bowls, like Mexican chocolate pudding and bumbleberry pie, that help satisfy your sweet tooth in a healthier way. Number 3. Cook once, eat all week. Cook once, eat all week sounds like a description of the American dream, but it's really a gluten-free cookbook by certified nutrition consultant Cassie Joy Garcia that makes meal planning easy. In her cookbook, Garcia walks you through the process of batch cooking or preparing an entire week's worth of dinners with minimal time and effort. To make things super simple, the cookbook is divided into 26 separate weeks. Each week includes a shopping list, the dinners you'll prepare, comprehensive instructions on how to prep ingredients, and cooking instructions. The cookbook also contains storage and reheating tips to help you make sure your meals stay fresh and delicious all week. Number 2. Paleo baking at home. If you don't know what you're doing, gluten-free baking can be a disaster. Michelle Rosen's cookbook, Paleo Baking at Home, is the ultimate resource for pulling off delicious treats, sans gluten and dairy. Rosen starts by providing a list of essential pantry items and baking equipment, and then jumps into 60 gluten-free and paleo-friendly recipes made using whole foods that are just as nutritious as they're tasty. Whether you want to bake a chewy bagel or are looking for something more decadent, like a lemon curd layer cake with lemon buttercream frosting, you'll find it here. Number 1. Eat happy. Cutting grains out of your life doesn't have to make you sad, and that's what Anna Vocino aims to prove in her cookbook Eat Happy. She designed 154 gluten and grain-free recipes that ensure a pleasurable eating experience. Vocino takes you through what you need in your pantry and refrigerator, and then provides a wide variety of recipes from appetizers, like sausage-stuffed mushrooms, to desserts, like homemade ice cream. Eat Happy isn't just for grain-free eaters, either. It's an excellent option for low-carb and paleo diets, or anyone looking for anti-inflammatory meals to help keep autoimmune issues at bay.